I'm standing in front of our new listing here at Bridgeport in Belmont Heights, and I'm going to show you why this location is so incredible. This pocket of Belmont Heights is right next to the Colorado Lagoon and adjacent to the Long Beach greenbelt. In addition, you're in close proximity to Belmont Shore, 2nd and PCH, Cal State Long Beach, and everything that Belmont Shore has to offer. Not only is the community in an excellent location, it's also perfectly appointed. There's a community swimming pool, jacuzzi, guest parking, beautifully maintained grounds with a very well-funded HOA. Every inch of this condo has been thoughtfully updated. A large stone fireplace anchors the living room. Enjoy dining al fresco on warm summer nights overlooking the greenery of the Colorado Lagoon. From the kitchen, with its granite countertops, wooden cabinetry, subway tile backsplash, and recessed lighting. If you'd like to experience Belmont Heights living at Bridgeport, reach out to me. I'd be happy to give you a tour.